Artificial Intelligence for Dummies, a guide for beginners. The developments of artificial intelligence have been strongly connected to those of computing, which enabled computers to perform complex tasks that they couldn't do before. What does AI mean? Definition of artificial intelligence for dummies. Perhaps the following description is not hot enough to make it to Hollywood, but we can conclude that artificial intelligence is a complicated equation that is designed to make a decision by applying criteria to pieces of information. The chilling thing is, what experts found alarming already in the 80s, we do not know how the machine reasons. This is called the black box effect, referring to the problem that data goes into the system, which in return processes it and as an output generates new data. Is artificial intelligence good or bad? The problem starts when people think AI is smarter than it is. However, we must scrutinize how AI evolves to make sure it works flawless and without threatening our fundamental rights. Thanks for watching.